This $1,000 AM5 PC build is designed for those looking for a balance between performance and cost. The system is built around components that excel in both gaming and streaming, offering a solid foundation for current and future needs. I will link to all parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. The CPU for this build is the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. The Ryzen 5 7600X offers excellent performance for gaming and productivity at this price point. It's compatible with the AM5 socket, which is going to provide future upgrade paths. Its multi-threaded performance is good for gaming, streaming, and other multitasking scenarios. The CPU cooler is going to be the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. This cooler is budget-friendly yet effective, providing sufficient cooling for the 7600X under load while remaining quiet. Motherboard for this build is going to be the MSI B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi ATX AM5 motherboard. The B650 chipset offers a balance between cost and features. It includes Wi-Fi, which is very convenient and supports DDR5 memory, PCIe 4.0, and has good VRM design for overclocking if desired. It also provides enough expansion slots for future upgrades. The memory in this build is Team Group T-Create Expert 32 gigs. This is a 2x16GB kit of DDR5 6000 CL30 memory. 32 gigs of RAM is most ideal these days, especially with games and applications becoming more and more memory intensive. DDR5 6000 offers high performance for the price, enhancing gaming and productivity tasks. Storage for this build is going to be the Kingston NV2 1TB M.2 NVMe drive. This SSD provides a good balance between speed and capacity. PCIe 4.0 ensures fast loading times for games and applications, while 1TB is sufficient for gaming, operating system, and even other applications. And remember, you can always add more storage later as needed. The graphics card for this build is going to be an MSI RTX 4060. The RTX 4060 is a solid choice for 1080p gaming with high settings, and it can even handle some 1440p gaming if you want. It includes ray tracing capabilities and DLSS, which are beneficial for enhancing the visual quality and performance in some cases. It's also going to be a solid choice for encoding streams and videos if you are looking to create content. The case for this build is going to be the Corsair 4000D Airflow ATX mid-tower case. This case is known for its excellent airflow, which is crucial for cooling components effectively. It also has a clean aesthetic and good cable management options, ensuring a tidy build. Finally, the power supply, which can never be overlooked, is the Corsair RM650. This is a 650 watt, 80 plus gold certified fully modular ATX power supply. The 650 watt power supply is more than sufficient for this build, offering some room for future upgrades like a more power-hungry GPU. The 80 plus gold efficiency rating helps with the energy savings, and the fully modular design aids in better airflow and easier cable management. This build strikes a balance between cost, performance, and future upgrade potential, all while staying right around the $1,000 budget. Each component was chosen to complement the others, ensuring a cohesive and effective system for gaming and content creation. I will link to all the parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. As always, thanks for watching.